This one professional course is becoming the top pick for many Indian students, and I'm not even exaggerating. Students are choosing it not for the hype, but for the global opportunities. Well, yes, you guessed it right. I'm talking about ACCA. So if you're new to this, let's start with the basic question. What exactly is ACCA? ACCA stands for the Association of Chartered Certified Accounting. It is a UK-based global qualification in accounting and finance, which opens job opportunities in more than 180 countries. Think of it as a passport for finance careers that work across borders. Okay, so now that we understand the basic meaning, but let's understand that why Indian students are picking ACCA more now. First, it teaches international accounting standards which many MNCs use. Second, ACCA is pretty flexible. You can take exams multiple times in a year. Third, it gives global mobility. If you want to work abroad or with global teams in India, ACCA helps that path. Plus, let's not forget about the competitive salary. Okay, now let's cover the exams and the subjects. ACCA has 13 exams split in 3 levels. The first level is knowledge level with 3 papers: business and technology, management accounting, and financial accounting. The second level is skill level, which has 6 papers: corporate and business law, performance management, taxation, financial reporting, audit and assurance, and financial management. And the final level is professional level. That has 2 compulsory papers: strategic business leader and strategic business reporting. Then you pick 2 optional advanced papers from advanced financial management, advanced performance management, advanced taxation, and advanced audit and assurance. Alongside exams, there is an ethics and professional skills module that you must complete. I know there were a lot of subjects, but let's not forget about the passing rates, because that is 40 to 60%. So, with the consistent study and correct exam technique, you can easily qualify ACCA subjects. Now that you know the subjects, let me tell you who should pursue ACCA. If you want a career in financial reporting, tax, management accounting, or finance in multinational firms, then ACCA is a strong fit. And if you're interested in working with international MNCs or just working graduate who needs to study flexibly, then ACCA can be the right fit for you. Now let's see what job roles you can get after becoming an ACCA. Well, typical entry and middle level roles include audit associate, financial analyst, management accountant, tax executive, and finance business partner. With experience, you can move into senior finance roles like finance manager, head of reporting, tax manager, or leader in risk and compliance. And if you're wondering about salary ranges, exemptions, or career growth after ACCA, then we'll be covering all those in the upcoming videos. Till then, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you have any doubt, just comment below and we'll have a look.